Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Riz Beauty. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and a notification bell to never miss when I post a video and to be notified. So today's video, I'm going to show you some simple hairstyles that are quick and easy and ready to go on the go. Does that make any sense? I don't think so, but I'm going to show you some quick and easy hairstyles that are easy for when you're on the go and are in a rush and don't have time to straighten your hair, curl it, and make it look, really cute and like you tried. So if you want to see some cute little hairstyles, then just keep on watching. We're going to do a little top knot. So what I do is pull my hair back. And it's kind of your preference on if you want bumps and stuff like that in your hair to make it a little bit more messy. I just like to get everything secured. And I like the front to be somewhat like smooth, but this, okay, what the heck? Don't mind this piece. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna put it up in a ponytail. And all I do is I basically wrap it around my finger and then hold it with my hand, and I just put a hair tie over it so it's nice and secure. Okay, so you kind of just pull it out to the way you want it, kind of have it like messy, and then now you have a top knot bun. Super easy, quick, cute, and yeah. Another look that I've been doing recently, let me brush it, is a French braid. My hair, oh my gosh, okay, is a French braid that doesn't start from the top, which I'm gonna show you that one too. But what I like to do recently is kind of start it how you would like a normal braid when you pull it back, but just a little bit higher. So I'm going to show you how I do it from the back, and then that way you can figure it out. But from the front, I kind of just take the tips of my eyebrows and take my fingers all the way back and kind of just, cap it off. So you have this chunk of hair. And all I do is I section it off into 3 pieces. And I just start braiding. And I just grab more hair from the side. And then just continue my braid. And then once I get like halfway, it's really hard to do behind your head, but I'm just going to braid the rest all the way down. And I like when there's like some hair left out. So I just put it in, and then let me raise this a little bit. What I do is, because I hate when my ears show like this, I'm going to start pulling pieces. So I'm going to put some like over my ears. I'm going to start pulling pieces out. Just like some front side pieces. Just to make it more of like a messier kind of vibe. This is my hair. It looks weird. And then what I do is I pull the braid so it's like a bigger kind of braid, and pull pieces out make it like somewhat messy, kind of like I tried, but kind of like I didn't. And then now you have like a cute little braid you can put in the back or the front. And yeah, it just looks like this. And that's like all I do, honestly, is just leave it messy. And I've been going to class like this, and I just like love the way it looks. And like when it's like, you know, you have some texture to your hair, and that's why I like pull it out and stuff, because it's easier and really cute. Time for the French braid. It's basically the same thing, you just start on the top of your head, and I love this look as well. I'm really bad at explaining stuff, so I'm sorry. But I just take my brush and brush my hair all back. So I just like, you know, take the crown of my head kind of. What I do is I section it off into 3 parts. And I put, so I'm gonna do A, B, and C. So I put A over B, C over A, and then I grab more hair. So A is always gonna be here, B and C, if you wanna think of it that way. So A will always go over this middle piece, like so. And sometimes it gets naughty. And then C here, you wanna grab more pieces. And you just do this like all the way down your head. So I'm gonna zoom out and I'm gonna turn around and show you guys from the back once I kind of get towards the back area where you can actually like see what I'm doing. Shall I say? And I love when this is messy. And I do mine underneath, so there's 2 different ways you can do the braid. One where like the braid sits on top of your head, which I'm not a fan of for me personally. So I do it underneath, but yeah. So I just grab more hair. And put it over. Grab more hair. And put it over. And then I just bring it around to the front to do the ends, because my arms are not long at all, so it's difficult for me to do that. I have really long hair, so it takes a while to braid it. Tie it off, and I usually don't use a hair tie, but I left my other stuff in my dorm room. But I just used the little black, or even you can use the clear elastics. Those are gonna work good. And so now what I like to do is just pull some pieces out and kind of do the same thing with that other braid. Is I like to pull the braid apart to make it a little bit bigger and not so tight, just like loose. And I have a cute, like messy, loose French braid. And yeah, so those are 2 different ways you can braid your hair that I personally like to do. So my next favorite hairstyle, I love wearing this out and literally like anywhere, is half up, half down. So I'm gonna brush my hair because it's really bad. And this is, I love this look. It looks good on any length hair basically. Like your hair can be short and it looks so good. Your hair can be very long and it looks so good. So what I do is I take my finger and line up with my eyebrow fingertip. And I go backwards, pick up that hair. And I kind of just, you know, form it in to like a ponytail, obviously. And I like when mine is super like loose and kind of messy. So now I'm just gonna tie it. Once I like have it all pulled back, I do it about 3 times. And then I just pull from the back to make it like have a little volume, and I kind of just pull from different places and I just tease it a bit and I just form the hair the way I want it to look. So you can tease your ponytail. Sometimes I'll pull pieces from the front. And yeah, this is literally the simplest hairstyle in the entire world. So I'll just show you what it looks like from the back. And then, you know, obviously in the front, it just looks like that. Another look I like to do is, now I'm gonna take that same hair that we took for the half up, half down, and I'm going and just do a top knot. Kind of the same thing we did in the beginning of the video, but this is just with half of the hair. And you kind of just form it to the way you want it. And then now you have the half up, half down top knot. But that is my 5 easy hairstyles that I like to do when I'm on the go or going to class or just gotta go run, you know, some errands. And I obviously love wearing my hair in a ponytail. I love it and I can't get enough. But I just love when my hair is up and out of my face, especially when I'm running to class. I got stuff to do, I'm in a rush, don't have time to straighten, curl my hair. You gotta make your hair work, you know, you don't have time to doll yourself up. So those are my 5 simple, easy hairstyles that you can do basically on the go and super convenient and easy. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm so out of breath because I have a cold and I've been filming all day, like literally all day. And I'm so exhausted. So I'm gonna go take my makeup off now and probably go lay in bed and watch Grey's Anatomy. Video, make a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, share, do all that stuff. And you know the drill. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.